On the shores of Lake Geneva, a Seventh-day Adventist summer camp has touched the hearts and lives of young people in Switzerland. During the summer, Adriana works at La Plage because of the positive memories she has of being a camper.
We had times when we were hanging out by the lake, chatting around a campfire. It allows you to be with a person or with several people, but to be able to exchange experiences, to share our struggles, to have special moments with each other, and to encourage each other.
Campers spend the days doing fun activities like water sports on the lake, but also prioritize developing a deeper connection with Jesus.
I think that having these experiences, it made me grow enormously, whether here at camp or in general life. The programs, everything that the leaders, the pastors, and so on provide, it allows you to develop your spiritual life as a child and as a young adult. It allows me even today as an adult to develop a relationship with God. In fact, that's what happens a lot here.
Adriana has seen multiple people give their hearts to Jesus and be baptized in the lake because of the experiences at camp.
It gives me chills thinking about it. We realize to what extent we have a God who is present, who is great, and who is with us every moment. These experiences allow us to really realize the presence of God in our lives.
The camp sits between two cities, Geneva and Lausanne, making it centrally located for many to attend. Private access to the lake provides a safe way for them to enjoy the water. With years of fun and spiritual growth this camp has provided, time has taken a toll on the facilities. Programs can only operate in the warmer months due to the piping and plumbing. In the colder months, the pipes freeze, making the kitchen and bathroom areas unusable. Another limitation is the kitchen. This small space needs an update with a proper area for food storage, a better layout, and new appliances. With these improvements, the camp would be able to operate year-round, opening new opportunities. This quarter, a portion of your 13th Sabbath offering will go to the renovations of La Plage. Your contribution will allow a wider range of programs to be offered year-round. Please pray for this project in Switzerland. Thank you for your support of the offering that makes a difference in the lives of people like Adriana.